my name is Manny Sarmiento with New Media New Marketing, and today I'm going to give you a quick lesson on using ChatGPT for spreadsheets. This is really interesting. I am going to take a list. Just in case you don't know, we own the listannex.com, and the listannex.com we sell spreadsheets and lists, and this in particular is the list of attorneys. We only do Florida now, but if you see, we have the entire state of Florida, which contains approximately 47,000 attorneys. And what we're going to do is we're going to separate the list into one of these counties. Usually, in the past, it had to do with separating manually, which would take 15, 30, 45 minutes to separate the list manually of 47,000. So imagine, we're going to start with the list. If you can see, it's 47,270, and it has a column. In this case, it does have a column for the county. Okay, county mailing list and county postal code, and it has one here in the back for county, contact county of official address. So we're going to give this to ChatGPT, give it the correct prompt, which is, please give me the list of attorneys, all the fields in Miami-Dade only from the entire list of attorneys in the spreadsheet attached. Column O, contact county of official address, contains the county field. I'm going to attach it from my computer, upload it. We have it in the desktop. This is attorneys all of Florida, which contains the 47,000. Need to close it first. Okay, here we go. Give that to ChatGPT, wait till it connects it, and click on the send. Now, one of the reasons I wanted to do this video is because a lot of people don't know the real uses of ChatGPT. We talk about artificial intelligence, and they make it sound on the internet and in videos and in the news like artificial intelligence is this and that, and robotics, but it is very useful productivity for your office and for your life in general. So as you see, this is analyzing the list, and it's going to come back with only Miami-Dade County, and we're going to be able to upload that and sell that list individually, and then we'll come back and change the field that says Miami-Dade only to Broward County, Hillsborough County, Orange County, etc. So here it is, the list is completed. Let's take a look at it. I'm going to download it. And this is a spreadsheet, Miami-Dade attorney list. I'm going to save it on the desktop, and I'm going to open it. And as you see, we have all the fields that we requested. Remember, it's garbage in, garbage out, so you got to prompt it correctly and give it all the details. See now the county field P in this case, is only Miami-Dade, and the list now contains only Miami-Dade County, instead of the 47,000, which is 8,341 records. This is one way to use ChatGPT for spreadsheets. I hope you enjoyed that. My name is Manny Sarmiento.